let's just, for now, we'll come back to this in another video. Oh, it's like a pet. It's like a pet. It's like a little snake. Woo! So let's try to get it like in. Let me just put it in. Up a little bit, and then like, can I get it? Very not good. That wasn't very not good. It's like barrel. Oops. Yeah, definitely slimy. Like when I first got my first like slime, it was like a homemade one, so it was sticky. I don't know how you make the store-bought ones. They probably use some expensive materials. I don't know what they use, but it's probably too dangerous to have them. So like they use like acid for this, and it's like running through my skin. It's like a bracelet. It's like, hey, I'm so cool. I have a slime bracelet. It's like, okay, this is gonna slime. I'm wondering why there's duct tape there. Well, so thanks for watching. Ah, the slime invasion! Slime invasion! Bad slime, messed up my iPhone. Okay, so hi. So I'm just gonna dump this in. Oh, it's like a little. Ooh, it's a C. Yeah. More like an L, but. I'm just gonna dump it back in. Oh. Dump it back in. Ah! Too bad. Okay, I'm just gonna dump it back in now. Because I should really end the video. This clip is 12 minutes. So let's try to get it successful. Wait, I need to collect this slime or else I'm gonna have a slimy desk. That is no good. No good. No good comes out of a slimy desk. Unless you want it to be slimy for like Halloween. Ah, really? Come on! Nope. Let's tap it for today. before we end up with almost. Thanks for watching, and well, let's just end out this video. Oh, this is the end of the video, so I'm like facing it this way. It's kind of backwards, but that's on eBay. Just type in barrel slime and get the single large ones, the small ones. They come in 24 packs, or just get the big one. Okay. We got the ugly slime. Oh, whatever. Close. So, thank you very much for watching this video of slime. Yeah, just go to eBay and buy the similar big ones. You can get blue. I like this the best because I like blue. Well, actually, I like cyan better than blue. That just sounds so good. Music to my ears. Okay, that's way better. Oh, it feels, yeah, it feels weird, but it sounds even weirder. So, if you like this video, like it, subscribe, and that helps out the channel a lot. Share, rate, like, subscribe, comment, blah, 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 because I barely get any comments on my videos. No one comments on them. Only got, well, I'm a really good channel because I only got a dislike. One dislike on one video. Yeah, so I'm a likable channel. Maybe I make good videos. I started using iMovie for the last video, which is a couple things you didn't know about Minecraft, but that can wait till later. So, hope you enjoyed. So, bye! Bye. Bye!